Hey guys, it's me, Lefty. Welcome back to another video on gmod. Today we have three newcomers: Spy Flavor, Yumeto, and Phantom Freddy, and we're also being joined by Funtime 101 Gamer, Funtime Plus, Red Bear 089. Make sure to subscribe to their channels as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Today, this is just going to be a funny moments video, so yeah. Oh, what did you do to my camera? How dare— ow. You sounded like a bird. You sounded like a bird. Ah! That's it.
I think this is kind of like a meme or something, but my health is literally at 39%. 539.81?
You all must die. You all must die. Oh! Oh, what? Oh, 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 no, 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 no. Son of a biscuits. Oh yeah, guys, stop killing me. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, I got a new outro. And I hope you guys enjoy the outro when the video is over, cause it's funny. You know, you guys about to get ran over by cars, by a car.
Oh wait, I forgot to do my intro, didn't I? I forgot to do my intro.
Yeah, but it's too late now.
What's up, my
Hey!
Funtime 101 Gamer here.
I just— stop it. I want to fly my boat. I mean, drive my boat.
He's a fly!
See ya! I'm out of here! Bye! I'm out of here! See you guys! I'm out of here! Whee!
To press on my no-clip button, and I actually kill myself.
Oh, did you see that? Did you guys see that? I just jumped that.
I'm sorry we didn't see that. Ow.
It was awesome. I literally jumped up in the air. Woo!
I did that before.
I just did it again.
Ow.
Look, fun time, guys, watch, fun time, watch me. I'm gonna go over that hill and jump it. Ready? Oh, I missed it.
You like that? Whoa! Oh my goodness!
I'm doing drifts in a boat.
Whoa! And jump it! Oh! Whoa!
Look, right? Ready? Whoosh! Whoosh! Oh, biscuits.
Stop dunking me in the water! No!
It's only 3 minutes into the video and I already got the game lagging. I think it's me, I don't know. I think it's everybody.
Wow!
I'm out of here! Bye! Oh my god!
No!
That's what you get for trying to kill us, Red Bear. We both collided and hit him and smashed him. Woo! I'm out of here in my Lefty mobile.
Oh my goodness, Lefty, that was incredible.
I know. Oh! Jumped it! We're all just driving boats now.
Whoa! Here we go! Oh, great.
Lag.
It's lagging. It's lagging.
Clean up the map!
Lagging. Oh my gosh.
No!
Oh, whoa!
Lag.
Whoa.
Clean up the map.
I'll run to a building and kill myself.
Clean up the map.
No, I cannot stop. I cannot. Oh.
I'm in a car.
Kill me. That's good. It didn't kill me.
Ah!
Oh, never mind. It did. It did. It did kill me.
I think our game's crashed.
No.
I can't spawn.
Ah. Despawn those purple guys.
I'm out of here. Ah.
I'm sorry if anyone is having fun in a vehicle and cleaning up the map.
Oh. You ruined my fun.
Whee!
I am in the lefty mobile. Do-do-do-do. I ran Spy Flavor over. No, not the wall. Not the walls. No.
What was that?
Oh god, clean up the map. Clean up the map. Oh, wait, never mind. There we go. Woo! God dang it. I fell.
Why'd I exit my... Someone exploded my boat!
I'm coming for you, FD. I'm coming for you, FD.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. No,
Someone... No!
Get over here.
Those puppets!
Oh my god, but Jesus, biscuits. Biscuits.
Oh my goodness.
Son of a biscuits. Give me the... Aww, you despawned the boat.
You guys see me?
Ow.
Look at
Ow!
Look.
Give me that boat.
How did it kill me?
Oh god, my game froze.
Look. Guys, look at this.
I'm driving on the fence.
Guys, look at this.
Woo!
Oh, endoskeleton.
You guys see me?
Oh my gosh!
It's Godzilla.
It's God Red Bear.
Eating red Zilla.
Redzilla.
Basically.
Ah.
How did the world kill me? How did the world kill me?
I have no idea. Oh, I think my game. I think. Oh god. Oh god, my game. What was that screen?
Look at this, guys. What?
What the biscuits is that?
Oh my gosh, someone else go on to the skybox and kill it.
Surprise!
Go to the skybox and kill it. You should sexy dance with a lightsaber.
That's illegal.
Don't sexy dance with a lightsaber.
I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Ow! Stop! Stop! Ow! Hurts! Ow!
You guys are recording, right, Lefty?
Yeah. Wait, you're recording?
Don't break the fourth wall.
Ah!
No,
Oh no! Ah!
No.
Ow!
No.
Ouch! Don't throw me!
Yoy.
Oh, I'm flying.
Die. You must die. That's copyright music. It's copyright. Stop it.
Okay.
Ow.
Ah!
It's Redzilla.
Whoa! Yeah! No, this is something that I cannot get out of my head.
Kill me now.
How did you do that? You jumped right over my phone.
I don't know. It's called skills. Oh. No.
Things.
Wait a minute.
Ow!
Ow.
Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
No. Oh.
Guys, are you seeing this?
No, you're not seeing it. Of course we're seeing it. You saw the skyscraper. Whoa! Dude, you didn't hit me. Oh no! I tried to stop.
Ow. 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 Ow.
I'm only at 13% health now.
Now you're at 0. Oh my god, that scared the bejesus biscuits out of me. I don't know why I'm talking about biscuits. Ah!
Guns keep spawning in those barrels.
I love it. I keep blowing them up.
Why are you guys gonna kill me? So I was trying to kill him.
It's Redzilla. Ow. Ow. Ah! How dare you! Biscuits. Biscuits. That's my new meme. Biscuits.
Leave me alone.
I hit you.
Wait, what just happened?
I hit you with a rocket launcher.
Don't tell me. Don't tell you. Don't tell me. I like to see once you get posted. And then I'll see what happens.
You should react to this video because it's funny.
Yeah, I should. I should. Ah, shit. Yeah, guys, just watch out for my reaction video on my channel. Good one. I was driving around on my boat on land. How does my boat even make sense if it's on land?
I did the sexy dance again.
Well, guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and also subscribe to everyone else in the game. And enjoy your biscuits. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next video. And make sure to enjoy those biscuits.